Hey friends, I'm doing a bit of a desk upgrade today. I'm tired of looking down at my 40-inch Aegon Ultrawide monitor, and I'm not a particular fan of the cables that look like spaghetti hanging at the back. So today I've got something that not only makes your setup look epic, but helps your posture too. This is the Invision VORTEX VR200 monitor arm. It's engineered for big, curved and ultrawide screens from 27 inches to 57 inches. Taking a closer look at the VR200, it supports 27-inch to 57-inch curved and flat panel monitors, handling 3 to 18 kilograms. And we get universal VESA support, 75x75 and 100x100 compatibility. We're getting integrated 14-mode RGB lighting, USB powered at 5 volts for that pro gamer glow. The whole setup is sturdy metal construction with a smooth spring mechanism for effortless motion. So why bother using a monitor arm? Well, proper monitor height and tilt are proven to reduce neck strain and forward head posture compared to static setups. Ergonomic positioning can prevent fatigue, eye strain and back pain. Let's do a quick unboxing. Comes in a very stylish, strong and heavy box with the branding Invision VORTEX VR200, and it's for ultra-wide gaming monitors. And on the back we've got further details. I'm liking the wording they're using here: unleash the vortex, control the chaos. And we're getting that customizable lighting. We've got a removable faceplate, features a secure locking mechanism, and we've got a customizable lift tension. We get the streamlined RGB control with 14 different RGB lighting effects, which are all over the arm, the base. First thing we see is the user manual, which is definitely premium. It's glossy, it's colour, so first impressions are good. No corners are being skipped here. It's very clear, precise and easy to follow. Next up is the VESA compatible faceplate, and this has got some heft to it, which is reassuring as it's going to be taking a lot of weight. It's all metal aside from that button there for the locking mechanism, which is plastic. You slide up to lock the faceplate onto the arm and then slide down to release. Simple and effective. Okay, next up is the monitor arm itself, and this has definitely got some heft to it. It weighs quite a bit. It's of solid metal construction. We've got the branding there, LED lights at the top. You've got the USB-A cable here for the lights on the stand and arm. You can also see the USB lights here in the center, which goes all the way around on the bottom part of the arm. And of course we've got the LED lighting on the base. We also have these reinforced screw holes where we're going to screw in the metal supports for the clamp arms. On the base of the stand we get this switch which turns the RGB lighting on, and it allows you to switch between different lighting effects. You can see we've got some cable management here, which is going to keep things tidy on the desk. We've got the swivel adjustment bolts here and the tension adjust bolt here, which you'll need to adjust depending on the weight of your monitor. The VESA plate just slides on and locks in place with this red button here. You just slide it across and it's not going anywhere. Releasing the monitor is just as quick. You just unlock and release. We get 2 cable management clips for the bottom part of the arm. We get 2 of these clamps for attaching the arm to the desk. They come in 2 parts. This is the second part, which creates the clamping action. We also get an alternative method for attaching the arm to the desk, which is drilling a hole in the desk. And lastly, we get the Allen key, which is used to tension the monitor arm. Setting up is straightforward. Remove the old stand, line up the VORTEX faceplate, and I've inserted the screws to help me do this, and then just simply fasten the screws. Okay, so this is how you create that clamping action on your desk. These 2 pieces just slot together like that, and then you just tighten the screw. But the first thing you want to do is attach one half of the clamp to the base of the arm, screw it in with the Allen key provided and the screws. And of course there's 2 of these for extra stability, so do it for both. And voila, we're ready for the next phase. Now I'm attaching this to the other side of the desk just as a demo so you can see how it all fits together. Position the arm where you want it on the desk, grab the second half of the clamp, slide it up till you get to the desk and just start screwing it in. And then it's just a case of repeat and rinse for the second one. Okay, so this is the VR200 fully assembled. In my opinion, it's a tank of a monitor arm, and for its weight, this arm just moves like butter. Tension wise, I've just loosened it up a bit and you can see I can just move it down with one arm. Next, just grab your monitor with your VESA plate installed and just slide it onto the monitor arm until you hear a click. And friends, it's as simple as that. You're done. We're getting plus or minus 50 degrees tilt up or down, and it will come out up to 90mm. Plus or minus 90 degrees left or right, which is more than enough for most. And you can swivel the monitor 360 degrees on its axis. And finally, you get a maximum height of 490mm. Cable management is spot on. There's no messy spaghetti here. Those clips do the job and they are very strong. I've got my HDMI, DisplayPort and power routed through those clips. Just check out that clean desk setup now. I'm absolutely loving this look, and if we take a look behind the monitor, you can see I can get it right up against the wall, meaning I can use all of my desk space. And of course the cherry on the top is that LED lighting with its 14 effects. You can set the effect to your mood, static or even fading. So friends, if you're ready to light up your battle station and save your neck at the same time, the Invision VORTEX VR200 is a surprisingly affordable way to get big screen freedom plus RGB flair. Links below, let me know in the comments what colour mode you're rocking, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more setup deep dives. Game on!